Tired of your same old username and display name on X? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to change X username and display name on mobile. Let's get started. First, open the X app. To change your display name, tap on your profile picture at the top left. Then tap on Profile. After that, tap on Edit Profile. Now you can change your display name. After you're satisfied, tap on Save at the top right. And your display name has been changed. Now to change your username, go back to the Home. Tap on your profile picture at the top again. Tap on Settings and Support at the bottom. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Your Account. Then tap on Account Information. Tap on Username. Then now you can change the username. Make sure that it shows a green tick like here when you change your username. If it shows a red exclamation mark like so, then consider changing it to a different one. Now tap on Done. And that is how to change your username and display name on X. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.